Hello everyone. We are back. So this is today my third virtual open house, and in the morning I was in Coral Gables, then Lori covered me in Miami Beach, and now I'm in beautiful Coconut Grove. So we are featuring right now a new listing that I just took. It's a penthouse in Coconut Grove. And let me tell you before we get started a little bit about the location, because I'm pretty sure it's going to take a little bit until more people are online. So we are here on 27th Avenue. Here you can see the waterfront. So those are waterfront buildings. Well, let's call it water view buildings because there's still a street between the water and the buildings, but this is what we consider prime location in Coconut Grove. So you're super close. Here is a brand new building that's just being constructed. There's another one coming across. So there's a lot of construction going on in Coconut Grove, and as you can imagine, those buildings are going to be much pricier than what we have here. So this is really a great opportunity. The building is a newer construction as well. It's built in 2007. I'm here on one of the balconies. The unit has two balconies, so this is one of them. And then we have one upstairs. Everything is high impact windows. So as I said, this is the penthouse in the building. There's only 32 units, so it's quite a small boutique building. And this is, in my opinion, the best unit in the building because it faces in the best direction, and it just has the best view of the entire building. So let's go through the unit so you can get a little overview and see what this apartment is all about. I feel this apartment, first of all, I don't feel like it's an apartment. I feel it's more like a townhouse in the sky. So let's take a look. So it has a very modern kitchen that flows so nicely to the living room and dining room. And as you can see, it's very high ceilings, especially in the living room. Look at this. Comes with complete window treatments, and this built-in can stay if you'd like to have it. It fits the space really nicely. Look at the beautiful flooring. I love how this flows. And no matter what time I come here, the lighting in this unit is fantastic. It's just always very bright, but not too bright that you get blinded. You know what I mean? So it's really neat. The balcony goes the whole length of the apartment. And then here you see the water view buildings in Coconut Grove. In those buildings, you spend on like a 2 bedrooms several millions of dollars. So it's quite nice to be in this location. You have stainless steel appliances, modern kitchen. See how nice this is? Oh my God, I love this apartment. So everything is move-in ready. So let's check out the first bathroom. Is downstairs. So you have a half bath, but it's really large. Turn on the light. See how much room there is? You have a brand new air conditioning unit. The owner just replaced it. So here we have the washer and dryer. The AC unit is behind this door, and it's literally like maybe 4 or 5 days old. So let's check out the bedrooms upstairs. This is a 2-story penthouse. So you have the bedrooms upstairs. It's really neat. So the building, as I said, has 32 units, and there is a pool, a gym, and an amazing rooftop terrace with artificial grass. I have pictures and a video of all of that, and I'll post it in the comments. Unfortunately, I can't, during the live video, I can't go in an elevator or we get disconnected, but I have everything on file. So we come up the stairs, and then we have here storage. This is one of the great things, by the way, on this unit. You have so much storage. It's really amazing. So you have here a storage closet for, you know, either clothes or for cleaning supplies or your towels or for moving supplies. So this is the bathroom for the upstairs bedrooms. It's also quite large. You have a tub shower combination. By the way, this flooring is downstairs under the wood flooring. So if you want to change it back, you can take it off, but I think the flooring downstairs is quite nice. So here we have the guest bedroom. As you can see, because it's loft style, this is open, but I don't see absolutely any problems closing this off if you wanted to have more privacy. If it's, you know, if it's a couple with a child moving in and they want to close this off, they can do that. If you just have guests occasionally, maybe you can leave it open and they don't stay all too long, right? Because when you live in Miami, everybody wants to come visit, right? So sometimes it's good not to have it too comfortable for your guests. At least that's what happens to me. Everybody always wants to come visit, and some people are more welcome than others, right? So bad. Oh my God, so bad. Okay, so here you have another closet. So this is for the closet for the guest room. And the room is very spacious. Okay, so I would say let's go check out the master, right? And the master has also a beautiful balcony, so let's go. So welcome to the master. And from the master we also have a beautiful view. And I want you to remember that where you see the towers, this is where you have the water view buildings in Coconut Grove. Those apartments cost millions of dollars, and you're basically just like 2 minutes away. You can walk there. And your waterfront, you have a marina, you have restaurants, you have shopping, everything you can wish for. If you walk a little bit more down to Coco Walk, this direction, you have a movie theater. They're just redoing Coco Walk. I mean, it's really an amazing area. And in case I didn't mention it yet, Coconut Grove is an A-rated school district. So the public elementary school is really, really fantastic. I know that because my son went to that elementary school and it was amazing. Okay. I'm pretty sure you all want to check out now the balcony. So we had a balcony. Remember, there was a balcony downstairs in the main living area, and now we're in the upstairs balcony because this is a townhouse in the sky. It is a penthouse apartment, but I consider it more a townhouse. So let's check it out. You have here a view to Coral Gables. And this is the highest floor in the building. So this is really a boutique building, very small, nicely managed, 32 units, and I can tell you that it's very well managed because I own a unit in this building. I own the commercial space on the bottom, which is right now occupied by a bicycle store. And I love to own in this building. They're very well organized. So again, let me show you the master from this angle. You have 2 walk-in closets. In the master, this is one. And then you have another one here, which is even bigger. Look at the size and the space. And this is where you would go to the guest bedroom, just to give you the right orientation. And here's your bathroom. Okay, let's walk downstairs. And let me tell you what else is around here. So you have across the street Flanagan's. For those of you that have eaten at Flanagan's, everybody loves Flanagan's. And you are super close to the water, as I said earlier. Great elementary school. And in the building we have a pool, we have a gym, and we have a rooftop terrace that nobody ever uses, so it would basically be your own terrace. It has artificial grass, and it's really beautiful. I have pictures of all of that, and I'm going to post the link below so you can all go take a look and check it out. So again here, beautiful open living concept. And very high ceilings. So that's it for my 2-story penthouse listing in Coconut Grove. I just listed it. I don't think it's gonna last all too long because it's a fantastic price, $399 in Coconut Grove, in this location, in a newer building with all those amenities. Oh, the maintenance fee is low, $691, and you can go downstairs, buy a bicycle at Sun Cycling. They'd be happy to help you with that. They're even selling right now. They're doing online orders. So if you need a bicycle right now, you just go downstairs. They're going to help you out. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And we're here for you. You all have a beautiful day.